What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons. I just want to give y'all some cold calling motivation so you can get out there, start getting you some customers, and start growing your business. So for this video, I'm actually going to get some help from my guy Sean Richards, a member of the Clean Biz Network. He posted this video inside the Clean Biz Network Mastermind group, and I thought it was real helpful and very motivational for us in the group, and I decided I should share it with you guys. So sit back and check it out.
Hello. Good morning, CBN, Clean Biz Network. This is Sean Richards here of RIGC, Richards Investment Group Corp. And we own Next Clean Specialty Cleaning Solutions in that corporation. That's my first baby. Thanks to all the motivation and encouragement of my fellow colleagues in the Clean Biz Network and my man AJ Simmons. This morning is a big day for us, actually. Friday we had a presentation with Healthcare Engineers Associations of South New Jersey, and that was a good time. We presented there at that organization. I'm actually a member of that organization now, and their monthly meetings every third Wednesday of the month. However, my reasoning is that I just got out there and did what I saw y'all doing, what I saw AJ Simmons encouraging us to do. And I put that to the test, and I went hard on it. So now is my opportunity to give some testimonies where, just to say where I'm at and what the future might be looking like for RIGC. I went and I did some cold callings last week, Tuesday, after a meeting, and I went out and I just put my information out there. I met with the gatekeepers and people at these doctors' offices. So my companies just specialize in specialty cleaning solutions for the healthcare industry. That's my franchise. So I just put it to task. I went out there, I hit up about 11 spots, and I felt really good about it. So I've been going through some sales training with my area developer, and they've been giving me some pointers and just putting me through a whole scenario of situations which I have to learn in order to sell my service. It's called spin selling. It's really unique. It's not easy, it's hard, but it's worth it, because once you learn this tactic or this skill, nobody can take it from you. Anyway, I went out there on my own and I put in some work. I'm sitting in my co-work space the next day, which was Wednesday, and I got a call. I knew this number was coming from New Jersey, so I knew it had to be somebody or a facility that I went to. And it actually was. So they got my information. They said they loved what they read and that they want me to come in today for a walkthrough. Now, this will be my first walkthrough. The office manager of Inspire Care said that they have 3 facilities that she currently oversees, and they have a total of 11 altogether, and they wanted to know if my company was interested. I mean, I was like, yeah. So we got the quote this morning at 11 o'clock. I'm out the house early because I got to go to the office, the corporate office today. I'm getting my vehicle wrapped in the company logo. But it just goes to show, when you just get out there and put yourself out there and be positive, what can happen? I'm hoping that we secure this contract today, at least submit some proposal for them, and take it from there. We already got a couple of contracts lined up in which we work, but this is something I did on my own. And I just wanted to, give enough respect to CBN and its members and, AJ Simmons, because the content that he put out is real. And I just felt like this morning I just wanted to, give some feedback or share some of the results of my labor and what I've learned. So if you're thinking about whether or not to start your own business, those of you who have not yet, I say go right ahead, because CBN Network has allowed me to step up my game. And when I see other like-minded people achieving great things and winning, it only encourages me and it motivates me to follow suit. So this morning is a big morning for me. Sean Richards here again of Richards Investment Group Corp. We own a special company, a specialty cleaning company by the name of Next Clean, based in Westchester, Pennsylvania. I am one of the first franchisee on the ground, so I'm getting one-on-one information. I'm getting, I'm in a position to do something really big. So I'm gonna take it step by step. I'm gonna be positive, and if need be, I'm gonna fail my way to success, just like everybody else that I know is winning. And this network, CBN, is a great asset because it allowed me to be where I am today. And I just want to say, keep on hustling, keep on grinding, keep on being positive, keep on growing your businesses. Because this is my first quote this morning based upon some of the advice that I have received through this organization. Again, big up to AJ Simmons and all the members of CBN. Sean Richards checking in this morning. Have a blessed and wonderful day and keep on grinding. Yeah, we're gonna talk, all right? I'm gonna tell y'all about the results of this. Have a blessed day, man. People.
Hey, what's going on? This is Calvin from Miami, Florida. I wanted to do this video for anybody that's considering joining the Clean Biz Network with Mr. AJ Simmons. I joined the group about 3 months ago, and I joined the group because I read a book by Robert Kiyosaki. Excuse me, it's like very hot right now. But I joined the group because I read a book by Robert Kiyosaki that talked about owning your own business and setting up systems that pay you even if you're not there. And so I found out about cleaning franchises, and I wanted to learn more about them. So I started YouTubing different videos. I stumbled upon Mr. AJ Simmons, and I was blown away. You know, he was genuine. He wasn't trying to sell me anything. He wasn't trying to win my trust by showing off his fancy cars or his jewelry or flashing money. He was just a genuine guy that was sharing his experiences joining a commercial cleaning franchise. And so I joined the group 3 months ago, and I've been able to talk directly with Mr. AJ Simmons. You know, if I have a question or if I want to know something, all I have to do is just write it in the Facebook group or comment and just tag AJ in it. And really, I really don't have to tag AJ because he's so active in the group that he'll just see you post something and he'll just comment on it. He'll like it and he'll just chime into the conversation. So I really like that aspect of the group, that AJ is available and he'll definitely get back to you ASAP. Another thing I like is that AJ will, if you need like some type of like one-on-one walkthrough, you know, if you have a 911 situation, you can inbox AJ and he'll give you a number that you can call him directly or text him directly, and he'll get back to you at his earliest convenience. And so that is another bonus. I haven't started or brought into my commercial franchise yet because AJ recommended that you try going independent first and just see how that works for you. And then if it doesn't work, then you can buy into a franchise. So that's what I am saving my money up for and getting prepared to do now, is to start interviewing with different franchises and you know, just making that decision on which franchise I'm going to join. I've also made good connections inside of the group. I met a guy who lives not too far from me. I'm in Miami and he's in Fort Lauderdale, so it's like a 30-minute drive. So we were able to link up and we text and we talk from time to time. So the group is just really like a family, and whatever question you need, you know, if you're cleaning like a building or you have an account and you're wondering what type of product should you use, you could just ask the question and people will shoot you answers who have experience. If you have issues with dealing with a client, there's so many, you know, well-informed individuals that have experience with dealing with customers that can help you. If you're trying to get out of your franchise, you know, there's so many people that have done it in the group that can help you. And I'm satisfied with it. And I think that anybody that's serious about joining a franchise or maybe going independent and starting their own commercial cleaning company or residential cleaning company, that this group will definitely benefit you. It'll definitely be worth the investment, just to have a resource of people who are business owners across the country who are doing the same thing you're doing and feeding their families and also feeding the families of others. So this is Calvin, and I recommend, if you're serious about starting your commercial cleaning business or residential cleaning business, and here's another thing, like, there are also insurance agents, you know, lawn maintenance businesses, all different type of businesses that are in the group. So if you're just an entrepreneur and you just want to be around other like-minded individuals, I think this is a great place for you to be. And so my name is Calvin. I'm from Miami. And if you're going to join the group, I look forward to seeing you inside. And you'll definitely benefit from it. You have my word. You'll definitely benefit from it. Talk to you guys later.